Good afternoon, everybody. I have finally decided to start undecorating, my least favorite time of the year, but thought I would start decluttering in these 3 bins, which is where I try to keep all my smaller Christmas decorations. Everything you see in these bins are things that I have not used this year. So I'm going to go through everything and see if there's some things that I can pass on to somebody else. So I better get started. Good morning, everybody. Just thought I'd check in with you and show you some of the things I've decided I'm going to let go of. Got all these little star ornaments that had been on a light string like that one, but the light string quit working. They could still be used as decorations on a tree or something. This one, of course, still works, but I didn't use it this year, and I don't know if I will in future years. I've got the gold and red garland beads. I haven't used those in several years, and they're cheap enough to replace. I got those at the dollar store, I'm sure. A lot of these balls here, the red and gold and silver, I am keeping a few of them, but I don't use them all. I mean, even if I was to go back to doing a traditional colored themed year, I'm sure I have enough still of the others. I've decided to keep some of them so I can do that. This Christmas tree thing is to put Christmas cards in. Well, I don't get that many Christmas cards. I get maybe a dozen, and I put them up on that back window ledge there. So I'm going to let that go. And then there's the snowman here. And you probably ask me, why would you want to get rid of that? You used that this year. He's really cute. Yeah, he is. But you know what? I got this for Christmas one year at work from Secret Santa. No idea who bought it. And I've enjoyed it. It's fine. But you know what? I'm done with it. It's not really my style anymore. Not that it ever really was, but yeah, I figure somebody else can enjoy it now. And underneath him, I have this little runner with the gold and kind of off-white color. And I didn't use it this year. I don't think I used it last year. I don't think I used it the year before. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna, I can let it go. So that is what I'm so far getting rid of. And another reason I wanted to check in with you this morning is because I've had second thoughts about some of these things. I'm thinking, well, maybe I could use those in my Airbnb units. And I really do like those lights and things. But you know what? No. I'm trying to fit all my Christmas decorations into these three bins. And so that is what I'm going to do. I'm thinking I may actually even donate a few more things. I'm going to go through them again, try and make a little bit more room, because I still have to get the exterior garland in there. And I only put out 2 little garlands outside with bows. Now here, I put all my bows in here. Ribbons and bows are in my sheet thing there. Now here is a little bit of a dilemma for me, and I'm sure other people have the same issue. It's really hard getting the Christmas trees back in the original box. So I've been looking online for a Christmas tree container, bag, something that is not humongous. This is not a big tree. It's only 6.5 feet, I think, in height. And the smallest Christmas tree bags are 48 inches long. Now, I have measured each of these sections, and I only need about 36 inches. Do you think you can buy one for 36 inches? No, of course not. And so that's made me think that in order to get what I want, I am going to have to make my own. So I think that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the store today to see if I can find some kind of fabric and a zipper big enough, or I may end up using Velcro, I'm not sure. But I'll see what I can find, and maybe I'll just make one, because I really don't like trying to shove it in a box every year like this. So anyway, I just thought I'd check in with you about that, and I'll show you what I end up coming up with. Good afternoon, everybody. Just wanted to show you my new Christmas tree bag that I made. I spent most of yesterday working on it. The day before I went and bought the fabric, got an end piece of this denim. It's actually got a little bit of a sparkle to it, which I just love. And it also has this really nice ribbon on it. So it's going to be easy to carry like that. And it's a little bit bigger than the original box, but it's still not like humongous like the ones that are in the stores. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you that. I just wanted to add that actually decluttering Christmas decorations is best done before Christmas, especially if you plan on donating them to a charity shop, because a lot of them will not take Christmas donations after Christmas. I think they start taking them around September, but you might want to check that out to see when they take them in your area. Also, please don't inflict your clutter on anybody else. Offer it to people if they want anything before you donate it or sell it, but don't make anybody feel guilty about taking your stuff. And if you do want to sell some of it, I mean, you can always try and sell things online if they're worth anything. And if you have to wait to donate to a charity shop, you could put everything in a designated area and just try and remember to donate it when the time is right to do that. Or if you have a yard sale, you could try and sell them in that too. Okay, so that's it for right now. I'll probably show you where I end up storing all my stuff. Here we are in my storage room where I keep my Christmas decor and seasonal decorations and extra decor as well. I did have to update the labels on my bins here to reflect what's in them right now. And I have my two little mini trees that I hadn't used this year because I normally put those in my Airbnb apartments. Don't do a lot of decorating there, but that is there. And there's my new Christmas tree bag. And right beside it is my Halloween jack-o'-lantern candle holder thing. So I hope everybody had a great holiday, and let's hope that 2022 will be a much better year than 2021. Take care. See you in the next one.